Good afternoon to everyone present here for the another session of from School of Happiness. I'd like to welcome Sanskriti Kirda for the today's session. Ma'am, please share your insight with us.
Thank you so much. Yeah, so I'll just share my screen. Hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
All right, thank you. Okay, so we'll be starting today with the discourse 4, which is on human values. So we have different human values like patience, truth, love, sacrifice, courage, sharing, forgiveness. So there are several human values. In today's lecture, we'll understand why human values are important for happiness and why we should actually focus more on human values and not on the material values that we tend to actually follow in today's era. So what is the meaning? Human values are the virtues that guide us to take into account about the human element when we interact with other human beings. So it's simply the values. If you're interacting with somebody, if you're having a conversation, these are the certain values which we should take in consideration while talking to someone. हम किसी से भी बात कर रहे हैं, हमारा कोई इंटरेक्शन हो रहा है, ये कुछ बेसिक वैल्यूज होती हैं जो हमें हमेशा ध्यान रखनी चाहिए. अगर मैं किसी से भी बात कर रही हूँ, इवन इफ आई एम टॉकिंग टू someone who's smaller than me, younger than me, then also we should have that basic respect, the acceptance. If a younger person is telling me something that okay, I have a knowledge of this particular area and I can guide you with it, your ego should not come in between that. No, this person is younger to me, how can you teach me? तुम मुझे कैसे बता सकते हो, मुझे तुमसे ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है. नहीं, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि आपको जो भी सीखने को मिले या आप अपनी लाइफ में जो भी जानो वो आपको सिर्फ उन्हीं से मिले जो आपसे बहुत बड़े हैं, बहुत लर्नर्ड हैं. नहीं. So the basic human values which we'll talk about is respect, acceptance, consideration, appreciation, listening, openness, affection, empathy, love towards other human beings. So values are our guidelines for our success, our paradigm about what is acceptable to us. It's not something कि ये guidelines किसी ने हमारे लिए बनाई हैं. These are the guidelines which we have to create for ourselves, which we feel that is important for us to succeed in life. Okay, so first, getting further with the lecture, I just want you guys to interact and just answer this one particular question, that we live in an era where people know the price of everything and the value of nothing. Do you guys agree to this? A simple yes or no. Or what do you feel about this statement? Anybody? So it's just a simple statement that we live in an era where people focus more on the price of the things. So if you're getting a gift, or if you get a gift, you have that first. Everybody may not have that, but it's just an example that you have that thing in your mind. Okay, ये तो इसने ऐसे से ही गिफ्ट किया है, इसका कितना ही प्राइस होगा. We don't see we, and ये हर किसी से हो जाता है. It's not that we हम जानबूझ के ऐसा कुछ कर रहे हैं, but ये हमारे साथ हो जाता है कि हम बोलते हैं कि नहीं यार ये तो इस चीज का तो प्राइस ही बहुत कम है, एंड वी टेंड टू either take things for granted or we don't understand the value of that particular thing. क्या पता जिसने हमें वो चीज गिफ्ट करी है उसके पास हो ही 100 रुपए, जिसमें से तुम उसने आपको 80 रुपीज की चीज गिफ्ट कर दी. So we should always see the value, the intention of somebody. If somebody is gifting you something, or maybe uh, I've seen people, when I teach my students, I've sometimes seen बर्थडे पे अगर मैं किसी से पूछती हूँ अच्छा क्या मिला आज पेरेंट्स से, क्या गिफ्ट किया उन्होंने आपको, तो कुछ लोग मुझे बहुत खुशी होके बोलते हैं कि हाँ मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे ये दिया. और आई हैड वन स्टूडेंट, she said कि मुझे तो फोन मिला. So I said, so why are you upset about the fact you got a phone? That's such a good thing. She said, no, I wanted iPhone, but my parents gifted me a Samsung phone. So this was not something that I was expecting. मुझे तो iPhone चाहिए था. So I was shocked because nowadays people don't have the appreciating power. So whatever you have or whatever you got, you should appreciate that. Maybe your parents spent all their savings just to buy you that phone, and you are upset on the fact that you got a Samsung phone but you wanted an iPhone. So it's not always about the price, it's about the value, and we need to value things. So here, material value versus the human value. So the material value always brings a physical comfort to us, but not mental comfort. हमें लगेगा कि मुझे तो बड़ी कार ही चाहिए और I want to buy a sedan. I don't want to buy a hatchback car. So I'll buy a sedan and I'll enjoy my life and things like that. But till when? If you are driving a sedan car and you are happy driving it, in the long run, when you're old, you would want somebody to enjoy, somebody to sit along with you in that car. सारी जिंदगी आपने पैसा कमाने में निकाल दी और आपको सेडान खरीदनी थी, आपको मटेरियल थिंग से प्यार था. You spent all your time and effort on spending that money, but you never spent the time on living the moment, living with your family, enjoying with your family. And when you need the support and love from your family, they're not there with you. Why? Because you always gave importance to the materialistic things, to the material values. So at that time you will not feel that mental comfort in your life. So it's really important to focus more on mental comfort and not on the physical comfort that ways. So if one feels that having material things makes them happy, then they're living a life of an illusion. So that's just an illusion for you. Engage your heart in decision making. When your heart prompts, a duty becomes a pleasure. So this is one thing that I really learned. So I also used to be very practical and think by my mind that, okay, no, I have to do this, I have to do that. And I always say that Mishra sir has been a mentor for me. So he always says, तुम्हें जो भी करना है तुम खुशी से करो. If you don't have your happiness in that particular thing, if you don't have that, if you're not doing it by your heart, and if you're not feeling happy while doing it, and if you're taking pressure of that particular thing, then don't do it. अगर आप किसी भी चीज का प्रेशर लेके उस काम को कर रहे हो और आप ऐसे कर रहे हो कि यार I just have to do it, I have no other option, then you'll never be able to excel in that particular thing. If I take a pressure in doing something, so if so I bake also, I do it because I feel it is therapeutic for me. And so if I'll and if I sell also, so if I'll do it just as a responsibility that okay मुझे तो आज 10 orders आए हैं, मुझे 10 orders देने ही देने हैं, and I just have to do it for money and I don't enjoy doing it, gradually ना तो मेरी सेल्स उतनी होगी और ना ही जो मैं बना रही हूँ, जो मैं केक बना रही हूँ, चॉकलेट्स बना रही हूँ, दे विल इवेंचुअली नॉट टेस्ट गुड. व्हाई? बिकॉज मैं मन से वो काम कर ही नहीं रही हूँ. इफ यू डू समथिंग विद योर heart, you will definitely excel. So if your heart says that you do a particular thing, आपकी ड्यूटी भी आपका प्लेजर बन जाएगी. So if you like teaching, teach. If you don't like teaching, don't. If you don't like working in a corporate structure, don't work in a corporate structure. So just because you feel that a corporate structure will give you more money, or 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 pursuing something else in your career gives you more money, and you eventually choose to do that, you will realize that it's just a duty for you, that okay, I'm doing it just as a part of my duty because I want to earn money and earn a living. No, after a certain point of time you will stop enjoying that activity and you lose interest. Okay, so why it's happening? So just some reasons. So because we have started neglecting our inner value, what our conscious is saying, what you feel from inside, you've stopped listening to that. Then lack of moral principle, lack of respect towards others. We feel that okay, this person is poor to us, or this person is not as educated as me, so why should I listen to that person? We have that lack of respect, which tends to spoil everything. So these are several reasons. So I would say that I don't agree to the concept of material value, and we should always see the value and not the material price of it. Okay, so we just have a full form of the word human, which is honesty, universality, magnanimity, affinity, and naturality. So we'll just study these 5 terms. First one is honesty. So I have a very good example here, which I have realized over the time. There were people, मेरी एक स्टूडेंट थी, so वो एक दिन मुझे आके बोलती थी कि मैम मैं आज होमवर्क नहीं कर पाई बिकॉज मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला. नेक्स्ट डे शी यूज्ड टू सी मैम मैं रजिस्टर ना अपने कजन के घर छोड़ आई. then the very next day she used to make other excuse. So if you're not honest, then आप कब तक झूठ बोलते रहोगे और आप कब तक ये याद रखोगे कि आपने क्या झूठ बोला था? मुझसे उसने कुछ और बोला, अपने पेरेंट्स से उसने कुछ और बोला, किसी और को कुछ और बोला. till when will you be successful in doing this? So एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा जब आप इतना फंस जाओगे, इतने ट्रैप में फंस जाओगे कि मैंने इसको कुछ और बोला था, इसको कुछ और बोला था, एंड यू वोंट रिमेम्बर कि आपने क्या बोला था. तो honesty saves you time from remembering all the lies. If we stop saying a lie, we won't have to remember कि हमने किसको क्या झूठ बोला था. So honesty implies a refusal to lie, steal, or deceive in any way. Honesty is not just about telling the truth. It's about being real with yourself. So now this is very, very important. Why? Because if I say that okay, I gave a competitive exam and I say that I couldn't pass it, I couldn't clear it. Why? Because the paper was really tough. But deep down, I know that the paper was not tough. This time the paper was good. But if I am saying this, मैं अपने ही मन को तसल्ली दे रही हूँ और झूठी तसल्ली दे रही हूँ कि पेपर बहुत टफ था इसलिए I couldn't clear it. No, just be true to yourself. Say that you didn't do the required hard work. You were not dedicated enough. You did not do, or you did not put in that effort which was required. So just be honest with yourself. अगर अपने आप को झूठी तसल्ली देनी शुरू कर दोगे, so our life will be a complete lie. So yeah, so honesty promotes openness, empowers us, and enables us to develop consistency in how we present the facts. Honesty is going to take you places in life that you would never have dreamt of. So if you start if you start accepting the fact that uh, I did not do the required hard work, then the next time I will make sure that I put in that effort and clear that exam. अगर झूठी तसल्ली दी तो मैं कभी भी next time वो effort डालूंगी ही नहीं. So that is the thing. So being honest to yourself and to others. Okay. So the next is universality. This is very simple, that a value is a universal value. It's not something if we are studying it here, it is only and only limited to School of Happiness. It is only and only limited to Delhi. It is only and only limited to India. No, it has a universal value. It is same all across the world. So truth, love, peace, non-violence, righteous conduct, equality, justice, it's all universal to everyone. Then comes the magnanimity. Magnanimity is, in simple words, it means generosity. So it is defined as a state of being very generous, either literally or in spirit, or the fact of showing great generosity. So if we are generous to everyone around this, then we have that magnanimity value in us. When you rise above your anger and forgive someone who may not deserve to be forgiven, the generosity of spirit is there. आप जानते हो कि इसने मेरे साथ बहुत गलत किया and you're not ready to forgive that person, then you will eventually realize that it's only your loss. किसी ने मेरे साथ गलत किया, मैं इस बात पर दुखी हूँ और मैं इसी बात पर रोज क्रिब कर रही हूँ कि he did wrong to me, she did wrong to me, and in the end what I'm doing, I'm just spoiling my own peace of mind. And it's very, very important for us to just think and prioritize and analyze what is something that we should think on, what is something that we should give time to. If I'm giving time and effort and putting my mind into things like only negative feelings, then it is only and only spoiling me. It will eventually give me health issues like stress, and like I'll start panicking, depression. So why do we want to invite health issues for ourselves? It's like, if you're not forgiving someone, then you're just giving a poison to yourself and not to the other person. You tend that I'll kill that person, he did so wrong to me, she did so wrong to me, and we want to give poison to the other person. But eventually what we're doing is we're giving poison to us only, to ourselves only, by not forgiving. Just forgive the other person and make sure that you're never going to trust a person like that again. So that is it. So that is the generosity of spirit. Just be generous to yourself. Okay, so just one question. I am by choice making it bilingual, English and Hindi. If somebody cannot understand Hindi, please let me know. I'll stop speaking in Hindi then. All right. Okay. So yeah. So this is magnanimity. Then comes affinity. Affinity can be described as an emotional connection someone feels for a person and product or service as driven by the notions of beauty and identity. It's a sense of affiliation with every human being. So it is just having that emotional connection, that affiliation with a person and or a product. So that is it. So if you have an emotional connection, you will feel and you will eventually be happy. So if yeah, so yeah, pretty, no issues. Okay, great. I was just checking the message in the chat. Sorry, yeah. Let's continue. So affinity. So just an emotional connection that we need to have with people around us. If you're working, people around your people in your workplace, people at your home, people in your neighborhood. So just an emotional connection with people, which will help you to be human, being show that humanity, show that kindness to people around you if you have that emotional connection. So like I was just that day I shared this example too, that there were people who were uh, standing outside मेरे घर के नीचे, and I realized that they were just trying and figuring out their way कि वो कहाँ जाएं, because they were blind. So उनको जो वो ढूंढ रहे थे जगह उनको नहीं मिल पा रही थी, but nobody was there helping them. So if you have that emotional connection with anybody, even if it's a stranger, you just need to show some kindness. आप उनसे पूछो कि आपको कहाँ जाना है, and you can just help them out with it. वो मेरे घर से 2 बिल्डिंग दूर उनको जाना था, and they were struggling. How much time did it take me to do that? Just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. मैं उनको वहां कर दिया, but they were then happy and they went, they did their work, and it's all sorted. But if I would not have done that, वो वहीं खड़े रहते क्योंकि nobody was there to help. So we just need to be more kind. Okay, so the next is naturality. So naturality is nothing but natural acceptance. If you are dark skinned, just accept yourself. ये नहीं है कि you're dark skinned, so you're inferior to a person who has fair skin. No, please, no. If you're fat, you feel that a person who's slim is more good or can excel more in life as in comparison to you, or just feeling inferior to anybody. If you feel that you're not from a particular state, you don't have that particular status, or you're from a particular religion, or you're from a particular group which is not that or you're from a family which is poor, these are just very small things. If we start thinking and if we start accepting our conditions and our situations and show that, okay, I am like this, but now it's my choice where I want to be. If I'm poor, it's my choice to get myself that required education, to just invest in my talents, to just learn an activity and to just earn money and be a better version of myself. Nobody is born with a silver spoon, but now it's your choice that do you want to have that silver spoon in your life or not. So you have to work for it. So if you feel that you're fat, it's just that either God has made you that way, or if you feel that it is something that you want to change in yourself, it is affecting your health and you're not okay with the fact, then okay, work out, reduce, simple. But this should not be the case that if you're fat, then you are feeling inferior to others and you're not able to grow in your life and feeling as if it's a hindrance to your growth. Never, never, ever. So yeah, so here I would just like to share one example. I've seen people trying to show off and show themselves in a particular social status just to maintain a level. So if there are five students in a school, in a class, so and one is poor and the other 4 are rich, the poor one will always try and always struggle to achieve that status. So there was a very good story I was reading. So that said that one person will always tell his mother to make something good. So वो ये कहता था कि नहीं आप मुझे दाल रोटी मत दो, बिकॉज मेरे तो जो फ्रेंड्स आते हैं स्कूल में, दे ब्रिंग पिज्जा, दे ब्रिंग बर्गर, दे ब्रिंग something or the other thing. So he always wanted to get a lunch equal to that. And this is a very very uh, basic example, but I feel yahin se wo peer pressure aana shuru ho jata hai. If my friend has a high iPhone, I would also feel like having an iPhone. Why? Because I want to match that social status which my friends have, which my other relatives may have. So we tend to do that. And this is something which will spoil uh, everything. Why? Your parents will also try and fulfill that need for you. But if it's not done, relations will get spoiled. So this is something that we need to understand, that we should not maintain that fake social status. So I had one relative. They had a very good hatchback car, but they wanted to buy a sedan. And I knew, I on a personal level, I knew that they were having a personal financial crisis also in their family. But then they were ready to buy a sedan car on loan, and not they were not okay with the hatchback car. And I asked, why do you want to buy a sedan? So they said, no, everybody in our family has a sedan car, and it doesn't looks nice when we travel in a hatchback. हम स्विफ्ट में travel करते हुए अच्छे नहीं लगते, हमें तो भाई होंडा सिटी लेनी है. So why do you want to do that to yourself? It's okay to travel in a Swift. है तो कार ही, बैठ के तो जाना है. But everybody has their own thing. So I really didn't understand. Just to match up the social status of your other relatives in the family, you are doing it while you're facing a financial crisis. Save that money and invest it somewhere and use it somewhere at a better place and improve your financial condition. Why do you want to spend in a car which has a depreciable value and which is not going to grow? So that is something that I am just trying to say here, that please have that natural acceptance to yourself. If you have something, naturally accept that and don't feel as if you are lesser than somebody else. Okay, so we have now one exercise that I want to do on human values. So it's a quiz, a very interesting quiz. I'm just sharing my screen and I'll share a link and a code. You can just click on that link and join through that code, and I'll share that on my screen as well. Just give me a minute. Yeah, hope my screen is visible. So I'm just starting with this quiz. Yeah, so this is the code. It's displayed on your screen, and I'm sharing this link with you in the chat box. You can just go on this website and enter the game code. Okay, so I've started the game now. So the first question is, what are human values? So the answer was, human values are the virtues that guide us to take into account the human element when we interact with other human beings. Okay, so we have 5 correct answers and 1 wrong answer. Okay, so the next question. Is everyone able to access the question?
Yes, I've got the second question, but yeah, as Monica ma'am mentioned, it's too slow.
It's Too slow.
Oh, it's I think instructor enabled. So only I think when you are doing it.
Yeah, when I'll
Okay.
do it, when
Yeah.
I'll do it, then only you'll be able to, because we're doing it together. So,
That is
okay.
when my first question was wrong.
No worries. So I guess now you all are able to access. So should I just proceed with the next question?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I joined late. How to access the quiz? Can you
No,
please repeat?
no worries. You can just click on join my quiz and put the room code. Wait, I guess you're not, I am not receiving responses. So you guys aren't you able to access it?
The third question is already over. We all have received the answers also, correct or incorrect. I think
Okay.
once it is all being done, then you may have access to the screen.
Okay. All right. Just a second. Yeah. Okay. So the next question. Where do people get their values from?
Ma'am, I need to leave, ma'am. I have another meeting now. So maybe I'll attend it offline if that is shared.
All right. No worries.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. So Hari Krishni is on the top. We have 10 people who played it and all of them were correct. Great. To show regard or special consideration for others. Okay, we have 8 people who have answered respect. Great. Okay, Monica ji, you're on the third number now.
Finally.
Okay, next one. Okay, this question is happiness is harmony in self, harmony in body, harmony in both, or none of the above. Oh, Hari Krishni, you will have to buck up. So Ranjana, you're on the top now.
मैम मैं मोबाइल से पढ़ रही हूँ मेरा नहीं है
Andy always raises his hand when he wants to say something in class. He is showing You have 5 people answering respect and 3 courage. The correct answer is respect. Okay, so the top 3 are Ranjana, Monica, and Madhu. I couldn't read the full name, sorry. Yeah. Okay, the next question is, a value is a quality, characteristic, or idea that we feel strongly about. Dr. Chitra is now on the 5th number.
मैं पता नहीं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई वही गेम से।
आपने कुछ मतलब
पता नहीं वो हाथ लग गया होगा कुछ मेरा
नो
कहीं पे।
वरीज, आप अभी यहाँ पे देख लो। मैं व्हाट्सएप पे भी शेयर करूंगी, सो यू कैन प्ले द गेम अगेन।
ठीक है ओके ओके।
Okay, Sangeeta ji, now you're in the 4th number. Great. Which one is the example of values? Empathy, tolerance, responsibility, all of the above. Great. So we have 7 people answering all of the above. Okay, so the next question is, if you hurt someone's feelings, what is the respectful thing to do? Cry about it, apologize, laugh at them, pretend nothing. Great. So all 8 of you are saying apologize. Respect means buying someone expensive gifts, telling someone an important secret, liking all the same things as someone, treating someone with care and kindness. You were playing and you broke your mom's favorite flower vase. When she saw and asked, which is certainly not respect. To hit, to talk, to listen, to answer. Who is this one person who has mentioned to answer? If we're answering somebody, that doesn't mean that we don't respect that person. It's simply that you're just expressing your viewpoint on that, and that's completely fine. You need to have a lot of money to be worthy of respect. Was this the case, or everybody feels that it's a false statement?
We feel it's a false statement.
Yeah,
Someone may have done it incorrectly only because of that alignment.
yeah, because of that alignment.
Only one which is wrong, I think, has happened because of it.
Yeah. So that means that do we want or should we have a lot of money to have that respect?
Not at all.
Not at all. Great. Okay, so it's important to dash the differences that make us unique. Appreciate or ignore. Great. We have 6 people answering appreciate. So we just have last 3 questions. We should care for the following except nature, self, money, family.
तो गलती से दब correction.
Okay, now we have Dr. Chitra on the 4th number. Great. Just last 2 questions, everyone. Complete the sentence. To be in state of harmony is happiness, sadness, awareness, and positiveness. All right, so this is the last question, everyone. Satya refers to truth, peace, right conduct, non-violence. All right, so the correct answer is truth. Satya refers to truth. Great. So it was a wonderful game. I hope that you all have enjoyed it. I'm just stopping my screen share. Yeah, I'll share the same game for people who couldn't play it alongside, and the others who will play it after, who are not here on the online class. So you guys will have a deadline, and you can just complete the game. Okay, so if any query is related to today's lecture, you can please share your queries with us.
Participants can now ask the queries or drop the questions in the chat box.
Actually, ma'am, I started late. What should I do now?
No worries. You can attend this lecture. You can see the recording of this lecture once it's get uploaded on the portal.
Okay, only 3 questions were remaining. I started from the 4th or 5th question.
Okay, you mean the game? I'll share the link of the game on WhatsApp, as well as Nidhi ma'am will share it on the Telegram. So you can attempt the quiz there.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Anybody wants to share anything or ask any doubt? Otherwise, we can just end the lecture then.
मैम ये डाउट तो नहीं है, लेकिन ये टाइमिंग का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है। ये 4 से 5 जो बना है, हम लोग की यूनिवर्सिटी से लौटने का टाइम है, रास्ते में नेट नहीं रहता, प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है। जैसे पिछले बार के क्लास में प्रॉब्लम हो गया, तो थोड़ा सा रिक्वेस्ट है मैम, थोड़ा कंसीडर कीजिएगा टाइमिंग का। We gave our suggestions also on WhatsApp. That many of us are having problem regarding the timing, which is changed now. 4 o'clock.
Okay. Okay, everyone. Sure. So we will surely try and get all your queries answered, and somebody will either post it on the WhatsApp group or get in touch with you. We'll see what we can do about the timing thing. All right. Thank you, everyone. So
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
thank you. Bye.